Hello friends, I'm Dr. Nitro and I'm back. I'm back to the social media. While last year I was very busy and I had 3 buildings process, Octa-King pedals with our first startup Burst Phonic that we have made, and it turned out really great. And today I will show you my first own guitar model. So, and it's a single cut. For 2 years I'm drawing my own model, and the main problem with me, for me, that I don't like any guitars except Les Paul. And for me, Les Paul need to look right shape, right texture, right color, right parts. I don't like modern guitars. Usually when I look to some single cut model, not Gibson, I don't like it. I have cognitive dissonance. So the main goal was to make look and shape of my new model that looks like a vintage guitar. That will be the first 2 prototypes, and this is the blueprint. Yes, we have interesting great looking headstock. It's not symmetrical, and I think it's a great idea. A little bit different inlays, vintage scale, like in vintage references. All structure and construction, it's just like a historical reference. We made different headstock. We made different shape and dimensions. But inside the construction, all the construction, it's totally like vintage 59 prototypes. So for these models we used our aged wood. It smells like a cake, but this wood is not overburn like many wood parts that we can see in modern production. So we have a special technology based on Finland technology. I talk about the technology in my Patreon, in one of my videos. So you can use this technology too. It's totally open, and it's not secrets. So I have a little bit improved for myself this technology for my usability, and it works very well. So we used for these models aged wood, hide glue for gluing parts, awesome rosewood, you know what I like, really awesome color and awesome smell. Bone nut, celluloid inlays. It will be completed with our own metal parts or Gerhard Schwarz parts, St. Helens. I like it really. It will be completed with my new PEF model Rumble Heart. I want to bring it to the Guitar Summit in this September, and you will see the whole process day by day on the Patreon in the maker level. So today I will start, and I hope we'll publish the first process tomorrow. Let's go!